In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a 2x2 picture in Canva. Resizing images to a specific dimension like 2x2 inches is a common need, especially when dealing with documents or profiles that specify exact sizes. So let's dive right in and transform your image seamlessly. First off, you'll want to open up your Canva design. The interface is straightforward, so it won't take much time to get situated. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is locate the Resize button. It's usually at the top left of your screen. Clicking on Resize will bring up a range of options for us, and this is where we start the resizing process. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so keep an eye out for the button and give it a click. Now, after clicking Resize, you're going to see an option labeled Custom Size. This is the key feature we're going to use to input our specific dimensions. Selecting custom size gives you the flexibility to specify exactly what dimensions you need. This is useful if the preset options don't fit your needs. After clicking on custom size, you'll notice it's set to px, or pixels, by default. Since our purpose is to create a 2x2 picture which involves sizing in inches, it's important to adjust this setting. So go ahead and click the drop-down next to px and select in for inches. This ensures you're working with the correct unit of measurement. Next, let's input the dimensions. Since we're aiming for a 2x2 picture, you'll want to type in 2 for both the width and the height. These boxes for width and height will be right next to the unit selector you just changed to inches. It's important to double-check that both boxes are set to 2. As accuracy is crucial here to avoid any distortions in your design. Once you've set the width and height to 2 inches each, it's time to resize the design. You should find a button labeled Resize this design. Clicking this button will take your current design and adjust it to fit the 2x2 size specifications you just entered. Don't worry if it looks a bit different initially. Sometimes, elements in the design may need minor adjustments after resizing, but we'll get to that shortly. After clicking Resize this design, you can quickly review the new format. If everything appears good, you're ready to finalize the changes. You might even want to make subtle adjustments to the layout or design elements post-resize to ensure everything fits perfectly and looks just the way you want it. And there you have it. You've successfully resized your image to a perfect 2x2 inches using Canva. Remember, resizing is a powerful tool that allows you to repurpose designs for different needs or specifications without starting from scratch. The more you practice, the easier and faster it becomes, allowing you to focus on your creativity without technical hiccups. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.